Hi, I'm Beth Warren, founder of Beth Warren Nutrition, with a nutrition-based framework for healthy living that works. It works because it gets at the root of the issue of why you are not reaching your health goals. It's a framework with focus. Perhaps you have seen me featured in respected health journals like Prevention and in popular magazines like Women's Health, Glamour, Shape, in the New York Post, and on television like Daytime on NBC. You may already be using my book, Living a Real Life with Real Food, How to Get Healthy, Lose Weight, and Stay Energized the Kosher Way, and looking forward to my next book, Secrets of a Kosher Girl, due out in March. I'm also a proud mommy of 5 children. Imagine how I've personally experienced many food and time-related challenges that may be familiar to you. Small successes slipped away from me with each pregnancy. Frustrated by my own weight struggles, yet bolstered by my favorite philosophies, I decided to heed a wise Hebrew saying. The translation is, if you believe it's able to be broken, so too believe it can be fixed, by Rabbi Nachman of Breslov. I love food and I love helping people. My father's favorite quotation became mine. Love what you do and you'll never work a day in your life. That's why I earned my master's degree and became a registered dietitian nutritionist. That's why I founded Beth Warren Nutrition 8 years ago. I discovered how to integrate the self-discipline and intuitive eating techniques I grew up with as a kosher girl with a nutritionally balanced whole foods plan that curbed cravings and kept me full and satisfied while living my busy life. I use these same principles in my nutrition practice, BWN, with my clients of various backgrounds and ethnicities. I can see how successful these principles are on the BWN Method, not only with their weight, but with their overall well-being, improved energy levels, boosted mood, and quality of life. Diet Spotlight recognized me as a top pro 2017 to 2018 nutritionist to watch because I have an incredible framework with focus. Focus on time. Learn how to modify your eating schedule to boost your metabolism throughout the day. Focus on food choices. Learn which foods cause you to overeat and why focusing on food quality is essential. Focus on food combination. Learn how to balance the varying food groups to create a cohesive meal and snack. Focus on fitness. Learn which exercises help you meet your weight and health goals. Focus on fun. Learn how to treat yourself and enjoy life more. Get a focus, get a framework. Welcome to Beth Warren Nutrition.